Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at this beautiful 1932 Ford Highboy. Man, this thing is awesome. Custom ghost flames. Tons of nice little details in terms of custom pinning. Really, really like this. Got the Skyway Classics with the Ford poverty hubcaps. I mean, this thing's just crazy cool. Look at this thing. What a cool car. Topless, our favorites. Just beautiful. And I just glossed over it a little bit, but we got that tri-power. Monster. So let's hop in her and let's go for a cruise. Here we are out in the wild, and man, this thing is just stylish. I caught myself in a reflection going past. Holy smokes, this thing's cool. And she gets up and moves. Oh yeah, let's see how she stops. Nice and straight. Stops on a dime. Really pretty car. Handling these corners nice, and she just wants to run. This is a really cool car. Usually the 30s Aries doesn't do it for me. I do like some of the Model A's, but man, this thing is freaking cool. So anyway, I'm gonna make a U-turn, head back to the shop and get her on the lift.